can't treat women like shit, alright? Cause, I mean, they're the people that bring you in this world. They're the people that raise you. They're the people by your side no matter what you do. You could kill a nigga or two. And they'll be there supporting you no matter what you do, alright? That's what I'm saying? Whatever you do, when you drink, just take a taxi home, call your fucking parents up, call somebody, let them niggas pick you up. Don't take nobody's life, alright, dog? You know what I'm saying? Nigga, fuck Canadian. Yeah, you niggas are pussies. Canadians ain't shit, nigga. America's the shit. Oh, you shouldn't let anybody tell you shit that underestimates yourself. No matter what you do, family's always there to support you. Even though it's a video game, I love you. Okay? I love you.